Get it again, honey. See, here's Isabella, and she just figured out how to make her toy move. Go ahead. You got it, honey. Go ahead. And see her little hand on there. She's figuring out that if she hits that, it makes a noise. Get it, honey. Good job. Go ahead. Mommy keeps missing you doing it. Get it. There you go. Yeah. Pull back on it a little bit harder. Go ahead. Get it. Get it. Not hard enough. You moved it. I can hear you moving it. Yay! Good job, Isabella. You're so smart. Good job, honey. Can you do it again? Can you do it again? Do it again. Can you do it again, honey? Can you do it again? Good girl. Mommy's big girl, aren't you?